Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator SC-300. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on SC-300 is: how do you configure self-service password reset SSPR for users in Azure AD, and what are the benefits? Your answer should be: self-service password reset SSPR allows users to reset their passwords without administrator intervention, reducing help desk calls and improving user productivity. SSPR can be configured in Azure AD by enabling SSPR settings, defining authentication methods, and configuring registration options. Our next interview question is: what role does Azure AD conditional access play in enforcing access controls based on risk factors and compliance requirements? Your answer should be: Azure AD conditional access allows organizations to define access policies based on conditions such as user identity, device compliance, location, and risk level. It helps enforce adaptive access controls to protect sensitive resources and ensure compliance with security policies. Our next interview question is: how do you configure Azure AD application registrations for integrating custom applications with Azure AD for authentication and authorization? Your answer should be: Azure AD application registrations involve registering custom applications in Azure AD, configuring authentication settings such as redirect URLs and client secrets, defining API permissions, and integrating with Azure AD authentication endpoints using protocols such as OAuth 2.0 or OpenID Connect. Our next interview question is: what are the considerations for implementing single sign-on SSO for legacy applications in a hybrid environment? Your answer should be: when implementing SSO for legacy applications in a hybrid environment, considerations include compatibility with authentication protocols supported by the application, for example, SAML and Kerberos, identity federation between on-premises and cloud environments, and integration with Azure AD application proxy or custom identity providers. Our next interview question is: how do you configure Azure AD conditional access policies to enforce access controls based on user risk levels? Your answer should be: Azure AD conditional access policies can be configured to evaluate user risk levels using Azure AD Identity Protection Risk Scores. Policies can then be applied to require additional authentication factors, block access, or apply access controls based on the assessed risk level. Our next interview question is: what role does Azure AD B2C play in enabling customer identity and access management CIAM scenarios? Your answer should be: Azure AD B2C allows organizations to provide secure authentication and identity management for customer-facing applications. It supports features such as social identity providers, self-service sign-up and password reset, multi-language support, and customizable user experiences. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of Azure AD Join and its benefits for device management in a cloud-based environment. Your answer should be: Azure AD Join allows devices to join Azure AD for cloud-based device management and identity-driven security. Benefits include seamless access to Azure AD resources, automatic enrollment in mobile device management (MDM) solutions such as Microsoft Intune, and integration with Azure AD conditional access policies. If you are preparing for any Microsoft based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.